welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today I'm hiking at the North River Park. Let's go. There's a huge parking lot and there's some entry fee to access the park. Today's a beautiful and sunny day. It's already 12 degrees Celsius outside and it's supposed to go all the way to 18 degrees Celsius today. Most of the trails are closed because of the melting season. So they're shutting down the trails to prevent some damage to the trail. But this one wasn't closed. Oh, bugs are out already. Whew. Okay, that's unique. It's a full bird rib cage. There's a little bit of ice and snow, so it can be a bit slippery. There's a lot of bird lovers here because there's a lot of birds. So people come here with their huge camera's lens and they can take beautiful pictures. Beautiful sculpture here. Wow. Look at this. So you follow the river all the way to the waterfalls. The animals here are not afraid of you, so they'll pass right by you. The Wilson Falls are amazing today. Wow. Some lucky people that lives there, so that's pretty cool. They have this waterfalls in their backyard. Everything is super well marked, so no issues here. Just follow the path. These are flat trails, nothing technical, a little bit of ice, that's it. So I'm heading towards the shelter and then I'll turn back. That's the little shelter. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot in here. There's a fire going on. Yep. Well, that was a nice short hike. The falls were amazing. Water was higher than usual. So I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on this one. See you soon.